Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Rattan LF750 Pro electric bike. It folds to be easily transported in your car, truck, or your RV. The small package makes it really nice to be able to carry it in an RV. This is only the second time I've unfolded this bike, and I still did it in about 20 seconds. So it's pretty simple, no tools required. You just unfold it. There's just a couple latches that secure it, and it's all ready to go riding just that fast and that easy. That's all there is to it. It's pretty easy. This bike comes with magnesium alloy wheels and fat tires, which give you a nice quality ride in different kinds of terrain. It also has the 13 amp hour 48 volt lithium ion battery, and it can carry two people. The rear foot pegs for the rear passenger are included, just not shown in this video. It has a removable key for security. It has an LCD multifunction display to give you all the information about the bike, what kind of shape your battery's in, how fast you're going, and all that cool stuff. It's just a really cool bike to ride around the campground if you're just wanting to joyride, cruise around, or go to the other side of the campground to visit with some friends or whatever. It's just quick, easy, quiet, no noise. The only noise is the tire noise. It has 5 levels of pedal assist, so you can choose how much assistance you want. If you want to get a workout, you don't even have to use the motor. You can just pedal it around. It does have disc brakes front and rear, so if you need to stop quick, you can do that too. But it has a top speed of 28 miles an hour with a range of about 55 miles on a full charge. So you can cover a lot of ground with this bike and have a lot of fun. Bike is also handy if you want to ride over to the office/camp store and get yourself a snack, maybe some ice cream or an ice cold beverage of your choice. So yeah, this is just a handy thing to have around the campground. Just quick and easy transportation if you don't feel like walking. And as I said before, the fat tires make it, really comfortable to ride in lots of different terrains, whether on asphalt or gravel or grass or maybe even, some trail riding.